jumping girl. He's running away from you. Really? What else? What did you dream about? Oh. Well, that doesn't sound very nice. Did you make a mess in your blankets? Yeah. And then what did you dream about? Really? Well, that sounds nicer. Yeah? So did you sleep good? Oh, really? Oh, and then you wrapped up in your blankies? Oh. Then what? Is that your soft blankie? Oh, you gonna jump with your blankie? That's hard. You're really strong. Are you ready to get up? Grace, stop eating your bed. Grace, hey, say up, up. That works.